Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Today, we are going to talk about the expression, grab a bite. Have you heard of this expression before? What does it mean? The expression grab a bite means to get something to eat quickly or to go out to eat. Okay, very easy. Now, let's look at how it's used in a conversation. Conversation example number 1. I'm hungry, but we have a meeting in 20 minutes. I'm hungry too. Let's just grab a bite at the cafe downstairs. Good idea. We'll be back in time for the meeting, I'm sure. So based on this conversation, they're going to have a quick dash to the cafe just to eat quickly and then go back to their meeting. Okay, now let's look at the second example. Conversation example number 2. Did you have dinner yet? No, not yet, but we have to catch the train. That's okay. We can grab a bite at the train station. There's a sandwich shop there. Cool. Let's go. So this is so easy. That means that they're just going to buy a sandwich and then board the train. Okay? All right. Now it's your turn. Answer this question. When you're in a hurry to go to school or office, where do you buy food to eat? Answer in the comment section using the expression. This is a great way to practice using the expression we learned today. Just type in your sentence and I'll be sure to respond to each one. Don't be shy. I'm here to help you. Thanks, guys. That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.